Hello everybody, my name is Leilah and I'm here at the Herb Stop. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tea using loose leaves and flowers. It's actually my way, my preferred way. Today I picked chamomile, and chamomile has a little fine material in it, and I want to make sure that I'm filtering it all out so my tea doesn't have any floaters. So I like to use filters, and here are the filters. This is one company. There's another filter right here. So this is how you do it. There's an opening right here in the filter, and you use 1 teaspoon and a little bit more. And you put that in a cup. As you can see, it's still open. So just put the whole filter right in here. I boiled some water on the stove, never microwave. And you don't have to pour it right through the filter. You could just pour it right into the cup. It's getting all wet, as you can see, and then I just take the bag and I just roll it over like this, so you're actually making a bag, and stick it right in here, and I put the lid on here and let that steep for about 20 minutes. I also like these bags too. I will show you. They have a little stick in here, and you do the same thing. Teaspoon, and then you use the little stick right here and put it through these little holes and put that in your cup. I prefer this one here because you lose these, that's for sure. The other thing you could do, you could use these muslin bags and put your tea right in here, close it, and these are very practical because you could use it over and over again, where with the filter you can't. The only thing is, if you're going to make a very strong tasting tea, for example like our flu brew or anything that's very strong, all your tea is going to taste like that. So if you're going to be using just for chamomile, you could use that one. The other thing that I like also about tea bags, so you can prepare one. I just prepared one like that, rolled it all up and put it in a little plastic bag, and I stick it in my purse, so when I go and eat out, go to a restaurant, I just ask for hot water and then I use my own tea bag. So I always have one in my purse. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will do more in using other ways of making teas, but this is really nice if you want to make sure to have really clear tea and none of the little materials in there. See you next time. Ciao miteinander.